When caught in a snowstorm, every second counts. A harrowing tale from a hiker in the Cascade Mountains illustrates this. Stranded in a sudden blizzard, he quickly built a snow cave for shelter using just his shovel. It's crucial to find a spot shielded from the wind and to create a barrier from the falling snow. Layering clothes is vital. Wearing moisture-wicking fabric helps keep body heat locked in. Keep hydrated, even if it means melting snow, as dehydration can set in faster than you think. Lastly, always carry a whistle. It can be a lifesaver when help is needed. Remember, preparation transforms panic into survival.